Welcome to Cooking with Safran, the ultimate destination for culinary enthusiasts. In this episode, we'll dive into the world of saffron, exploring its rich history and its ability to transform ordinary dishes into extraordinary delights. Join us as we uncover the secrets of saffron and create 3 exceptional recipes that will leave you craving for more. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. Saffron, often referred to as the red gold, is one of the most precious spices in the world. Derived from the Crocus sativus flower, saffron has been treasured for centuries due to its unique flavor, vivid color, and various health benefits. Its delicate aroma and distinct taste make it a highly sought-after ingredient in gourmet cuisine. Today, we'll show you how saffron can elevate 3 classic dishes to new heights. Our first culinary creation is bouillabaisse, a traditional French seafood stew known for its complex flavors. By infusing saffron into the broth, we enhance the dish with a touch of luxury. The warm hues of saffron complement the fresh seafood, creating a harmonious blend of taste and visual appeal. Join us as we demonstrate the step-by-step process of making this delectable bouillabaisse, guaranteed to transport your taste buds to the coastal towns of Provence. Next up, we present a creamy saffron pasta that will awaken your senses with its velvety texture and delicate saffron notes. By infusing saffron into the cream sauce, we create a luxurious and elegant dish that is as visually stunning as it is delicious. Watch closely as we share our culinary secrets to achieve the perfect balance of flavors in this decadent pasta. Get ready to savor a dish that embodies pure culinary bliss. In our final culinary masterpiece, we bring saffron into the spotlight with a fragrant and vibrant saffron rice dish. The combination of fluffy basmati rice and the rich aroma of saffron will captivate your senses from the first bite. We'll guide you through the process of cooking this aromatic rice, ensuring you achieve perfectly cooked grains infused with the essence of saffron. Get ready to serve a show-stopping side dish that will elevate any meal. As we conclude this episode of Cooking with Safran, we hope you've been inspired to explore the incredible world of saffron-infused cuisine. From the tantalizing bouillabaisse to the indulgent creamy pasta, please subscribe and like our video and channel, and check out our shops on our website, ETSY and Amazon.